Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and often very frustrating. So, what is P1381? The official description is cylinder position sensor, intermittent interruption. In simple terms, your car's brain, the AC, is losing the signal from the cylinder position sensor, or CYP sensor, every now and then. This sensor is crucial. It's located inside the distributor on older models, or near the camshaft on newer ones, and its job is to tell the ECU the exact position of the number one cylinder. This information is vital for timing the spark plugs and fuel injectors correctly. When the signal is intermittent, the engine timing goes haywire, leading to misfires, poor performance, bad fuel economy, and sometimes a no-start condition. Now, let's talk about the common culprits behind this code. The number one cause, alongsot, is a faulty distributor. Specifically, the internal components of the distributor, including the CYP sensor itself, can fail over time. Heat and vibration are the biggest enemies here. They can cause the sensor's internal coil to break down or the wiring inside the distributor to become brittle and lose connection. Another major cause is a simple wiring issue. The harness connecting to the distributor can get damaged. Look for frayed wires, corrosion on the connector pins, or a loose connection. Sometimes, oil leaking from a bad distributor or ring or cam seal can soak the wiring, causing it to degrade and short out. So, before you condemn the distributor, give that wiring a thorough inspection. A less common but possible cause is a problem with the ECU itself. This is pretty rare for Honda and Acura, as their ICUs are generally very robust, but it can happen. This should be the last thing you check after you've ruled out everything else. So, how do we diagnose and fix P1381? First, grab your The first and easiest check is the resistance of the CYP sensor. Unplug the distributor connector. You'll need a wiring diagram for your specific model to identify the correct two pins for the CYP sensor. A healthy CYP sensor should have a resistance reading somewhere between 350 and 700 ohms. If you get a reading that's way outside this range, like 0 ohms meaning a short or open loop, you've found your problem. The sensor inside the distributor is bad. Unfortunately, on most older Honda models, the CYP sensor isn't sold separately. This means you'll likely need to replace the entire distributor assembly. When you're buying a new distributor, I strongly recommend sticking with a high-quality OEM or reputable aftermarket brand. The cheap, no-name distributors you find online are notorious for failing quickly, and you'll just be back at square one. It's worth spending a little extra for the peace of mind. If the resistance check passes, your next step is to inspect the wiring harness. Check for continuity from the distributor connector all the way back to the ECU. Look for any breaks, corrosion, or signs of damage. Pay close attention to the area where the harness might rub against engine components. If you find a bad wire, you can either repair that section or, for a more permanent fix, replace that part of the harness. While you're at it, check your ignition timing, spark plugs, and plug wires. While they might not directly cause the P1381 code, a failing ignition system can sometimes create electrical noise that interferes with the sensor signal, confusing the ECU. It's all part of a good, comprehensive tune-up. So, to recap, P1381 usually points to a problem with the CYP sensor, most often located inside the distributor. Start by checking the sensor's resistance. If it fails, replace the distributor. If it passes, inspect the wiring harness for damage. It's a straightforward diagnostic process that can save you a lot of time and money. Hopefully, this guide helps you tackle that pesky P1381 code and get your Honda or Acura running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Have any questions or your own P1381 story? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.